Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 03 May 2018, 08 of hour, 27 of minute and 38 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, can seatbelt cause injury? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about can seatbelt cause injury. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about can seatbelt cause injury. Seatbelt injuries in a car accident are common. These injuries can be caused by a number of factors, and none at all. Injuries might include damage to the shoulder, stomach, chest, ribs, neck, hips. Wearing a seatbelt can save your life and reduce injury, but wearing one improperly can cause more severe injuries. Last update December 15, 2013. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.